Hello and welcome to another online lesson with me, Teacher Lindsey. Today we're cooking up a treat in the kitchen. We'll look at recipes. Let's get started. Okay, match the measuring utensil to the correct ingredient. Pause the video, then come back to check. Let's start with the salt. Yes, we use a spoon for salt because we don't need much salt. And flour? Is it the weighing scales or the measuring jug? Yeah, the weighing scales. And finally, the milk. Yeah, we use the measuring jug for liquid, such as milk or water. Cooking eggs. Order the pictures from 1 to 4. Pause the video. Ready? What's first? Yes, cracking open the eggs, if we're doing fried eggs. And second, we can mix them in a bowl. And third, fry them in a frying pan. And fourth, yes, the last thing we do is we eat the eggs and we can have bread or toast with it. Cooking utensils. Choose one option. A. What do I need to measure out the milk? Is it a measuring jug or weighing scales? We use the measuring jug. Weighing scales would make a mess. Okay, B. What do I need to measure out the sugar? A measuring jug or weighing scales? That's right, weighing scales. And C, what do I need to measure out the salt? A spoon or weighing scales? Yeah, a spoon is better because we don't need much salt. We use different units to measure different foods. Match the measurement to the measuring utensil. Milliliters and liters are for liquids. Grams and kilograms are to measure things like sugar and flour. And finally, teaspoon and tablespoon units are for small amounts, like salt. So, which one measures milliliters and liters? The measuring jug, because that's for liquids like milk and water. How about grams and kilograms? Yeah, it's the weighing scales. These measure flour and sugar. And that means we use the spoon for spoon measurements. These are for smaller amounts, things like salt. Look at these weighing scales. They have different amounts of sugar. The numbers are a little hard to read, so look at how big the pile of sugar is. Let's start with the smallest one. 250 grams. This is the smallest amount. Which one is the smallest? Yeah, good job. The next one is 1,000 grams. We can also say 1 kilogram. Which weighing scale has the biggest pile of sugar? That's right. Next, 750 grams. Whoa, that's quite a lot of sugar. We're looking for the second biggest pile. Good job. That leaves 500 grams. Yes, this is half of 1,000 grams. Well done. Change the recipe. This recipe for crepes is for 2 people, but you need to cook for 4 people. Do you need to A, double the amounts, or B, half the amounts? That's right. We need to double the amounts. Double 2 is 4, or 2 times 2 equals 4. This recipe is for banana bread. It's for 6 people, but you need to cook for 3 people. Do you need to double the amounts or half the amounts? Well done! We half the amounts. Half of 6 is 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Thanks for all your help in the kitchen today. Your homework is to help your family. What measurements can you find? If you bake something yummy, send me a photo. See you soon!